Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGBP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, the chart's hanging in there, but a disappointing day, especially in regards to this area of resistance, that red line, which I've talked about in past videos, up there at 0.036. You can see the price came up there, was doing battle with it, but just could never really establish any sort of genuine momentum or strength, and then ultimately, got pushed quite a bit to the downside. But I would not say that this was a reversal. I would not say that this was a crash, because the price did not go down and violate 0.025, which I talked about quite a bit in the video from Wednesday. So yes, I would use the terminology pullback, but as far as reversal or anything like that, to me, that's a little too premature. Now, if all of a sudden on Friday the price comes down to 0.025 and breaks down below there, well, then at that point, okay, I believe that reversal can start to enter into the conversation. But as of right now, like I said, in my opinion, I would not use the terminology of reversal. I would just call this a pullback, because the price does still have the opportunity to find support there and then work its way back up there. And then within that context of things, from the overall standpoint, it would still just be, a healthy pullback, meaning you'd have the price pulled back, it went down to that low, and then you compare that to that low right there, and you'd still have stair steps very clearly progressing in the upwards direction. So yeah, today definitely annoying that it got rejected up there at the 0.036 mark. But then, like I said, I wouldn't say the price crashed or reversed. It just is simply pulling back right now. But that does bring about, 0.025 being a very important level, because if the price does go down there and crashes down through it, okay, at that point, you got to start to question whether or not this was, just a full-blown reversal. But that hasn't happened yet, and that's why I would say that, as of right now, you still got to err on the side of caution and call things, bullish. But it's definitely looking a little shaky, but let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome, because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.